friends, have you ever been to a pumpkin patch? We're here at the Books family farm. This farm has a pumpkin patch. Come on, let's explore. Oh, look, we found a field of pumpkins in this corn maze. Look at all those pumpkins. They're orange.
Look, we found chickens and roosters on the farm. You see their chicken hutches? They're made out of wagons. I see chickens and I see roosters. I hear a chicken inside. Do you hear it? Oh, there's the rooster. It says cock-a-doodle-doo. It is protecting the chickens. The chickens inside that are squawking are laying the eggs.
Pumpkins get heavier the longer you carry them. Magic. Oh, hey there. This pumpkin patch has a hay maze. Check it out. Will Liz make it through the hay maze? I hope she doesn't get lost. I would miss Miss Liz if she wasn't with me every day. Oh, I think she's almost there. Who knew Miss Liz is so good at hay mazes? At this pumpkin patch, they have a stand with pumpkins that they've already picked. They have hay bales and a wagon. They have corn on the cob that is dry and you can turn into popcorn. They have scarecrows and lots of flies. Did you know that they even sell corn stalks here? The corn stalks are dried from the cornfield we were in. They cut them and they stack them, and you can use them as decorations. This place is very exciting. So much to see and so much to do. Look at what we found. We found a big red barn. And on the barn it says Books Family Farm. I wonder what's inside this barn. Let's go check it out. Inside the barn, I found baby chicks. Can you hear them? They're in a pen with a red light to keep them warm, so they can grow up to be ducks. No, they'll grow up to be chickens. I'm so silly. Oh my goodness, we found some cows. What does a cow say? That's right. I see 1, 2, 3 cows. And oh, what do I spy with my little eye over here? Do you see those guys? What are those? Do you see this friend coming over? This is a pig. What does a pig say? You're right. Oh, look at how cute. Oh, here comes some more. These are big pigs. This one's running. Look at him go. I think these pigs want some breakfast. What do you think? We found farm equipment. We found a tractor and some plowers. It's very important to have farm equipment when you live on a big farm to keep everything neat and tidy. It's so peaceful here. Look at the beautiful garden they have. Do you hear the birds singing? So peaceful here. How nice. Oh my goodness. Look at these silly scarecrows. They're playing in the tree. Do you see them? Oh my goodness, one of them is upside down. How silly. I found goats. These are boar goats. Hi, babies. They're super friendly. Oh, tried to nip my finger, but they're friendly. Hi, guys. All right, guys. Well, thanks for coming to the farm. We'll see you later.